Hello everybody, this is Eric from ChastityShop.com. I just manufactured a silver tube for the Secret Locktober. I've got the Secret Locktober key over here. I will show you at the end of the video when I have solved the tube of the key. I will show you how the Secret Locktober fits at the moment. I've just manufactured this tube. The key of the Secret Locktober already fits the cylinder lock, and the screw tweet already fits the tube of the Secret Locktober. This Secret Locktober is for a customer in the United States. We've got free shipping worldwide. Here we are. This is the silver tube of the Secret Locktober. As you can see, it's very thick. I'm going to solder a silver plate at the bottom to close the tube. And this is the top part. It's not finished yet, of course. It's not polished. It's just pre-polished with sanding. Here we are. It fits perfectly, as you can see. This is the Secret Locktober with Bergwachter cylinder lock. This is the key, the silver key for the cylinder lock. And it's also possible with an ABS padlock inside the Secret Locktober. So when you've got a chastity device with a cylinder lock, I use the Bergwachter cylinders. It's the best brand you can get for the Bergwachters. And when you've got a chastity device with a padlock, I use the ABS padlocks. The ABS padlocks for the Secret collection and the Yale padlocks for the normal chastity key collection. But this one is with a Bergwachter cylinder lock. This is the Secret Locktober. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to solder the pendant eye on top of the heart, above the heart. And over here I'm going to solder a small eye, silver eye, for the dangling heart-shaped stone. I will put the link to the Secret Locktober key on the website when I finish the live broadcast. So you can see the finished key, the finished Secret Locktober. This is the silver tube. I will zoom in a bit so you can see how perfectly fits the tweet. It's all handmade, not been polished yet, of course. It's not finished. I just sent the whole key. And this key will have a high polished finish at the end. I hope you liked the key. I hope you like this kind of videos. I love to show what I'm doing because, in our opinion, is jewelry we make jewelry with a nice touch of fitting chastity keys. But the idea is to manufacture very nice keys in precious metal. the Secret Locktober. In a few hours the key is finished. And I will show you the result, of course. Thank you for watching. And have a nice day or evening in Europe.